Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Now today's video is going to be an assumptions tag video. So I asked you guys on my Instagram stories and also on my YouTube community tab to send in your assumptions about me, and I'm going to be answering those in today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started. That you guys have sent me on my notebook over here, and thank you so much for sending in so many assumptions. I love this, that you guys are so interactive and you guys always participate in everything that I do. So thank you so much for all your involvement with my channel in this community. Now let's move on to the assumptions. So the first one is that you like to be financially independent. Well, honestly, who doesn't? So yes, I do. The answer is yes, you're right. But I'm like, who doesn't? Like, everyone wants to be financially independent, and I feel especially females, the girls, the women, ladies have to be financially independent. No matter how much your family, your father, your brother, your husband loves you, it's always good to be independent. No matter how much you earn, it can be as little as maybe 5,000 rupees a month. That is also enough. Like, it doesn't matter how much you earn, as long as you are earning and you are contributing, and you are able to take care of yourself, basically. Yeah, so yes, the answer is yes. Next is, you are a Bollywood freak. Yes, I am. I do know everything that's happening in Bollywood, and I know every gossip, I know every little detail. So yes, I am a Bollywood freak. That's right. Next one is, you have a lot of friends. That is also actually right. You guys have sent in so many assumptions and they are so correct. It's like you guys know me so well. Yes, I do have a lot of friends because I've always been this extrovert and friendly person. I will initiate talking to someone new. I will always smile and I will end up making a lot of friends. So yes, I do have a lot of friends. Next is, you are too organized as a person. Yes, I am, and I have mentioned this myself in a lot of my videos and a lot of my vlogs. I have been like this forever. I would always take care of small little pieces and papers, since I was in school. Like, I would always have everything with me. So yeah, I am that organized person. I'm that freak, Next is, you are very straightforward. Absolutely right, my friend. So I am a very straightforward person. Even if I try to, how do I put it, like, nicely? So even if I don't like you and I'll try or I'll pretend to like you, that won't last long enough, and eventually the person in front of me will find out that I don't like them, and I will end up saying something that otherwise some people who are diplomatic wouldn't say. So yeah, I can't help it. If I don't like you, or if I have to tell you something, I will say it on your face. Like, I can't sugarcoat things. Next is, you like living in Australia more than India. Okay, so yes, that is true. I like living in Australia more than I like living in India, and that is only because of certain situations. How do I explain it? Like, there are certain situation and people that I avoid staying in contact with, and they are in India. And I know if I go back to India and if I have to live in India, I will not be able to just get rid of them. They are there. So these situations are there, So had it been like a different situation back home, I would love to live in India because I don't have my friends here, or my girlfriends, my best friends, my family, everyone's back home, back in India. And yeah, it's just, I like living here because I can live on my own terms. Whereas if I was to live in India, things would have been difficult. Next is, you are a spender and not a saver. Well, I would say you're not 100% true, but you are true, to an extent. I spend a lot. That is because, one, I earn my own money. I am independent, so I can, take my own decisions. And two, I have a lot of responsibilities over me. So whatever I earn, a huge chunk of it goes out on my financial responsibilities, and whatever is left, I then, my thinking is that I earn so much, I work really hard, and if I take care of other things, and if a little bit amount is left for me, I would want to spend it on myself or spend it on things that makes me happy. So because of all of this, I do not end up saving, and you can say I'm a spender, but that is mainly because of certain situations in my life. Next is, you don't get angry too easily. Well, I was a different person. Had you sent me this assumption like a couple of years ago, I would have said no, you're wrong. But today, I think I've become more patient. I've got more patience in me, and that is why I don't get angry very often. Next up is, you don't like dark or thriller content. Absolutely right. I don't even watch trailers of dark, thriller, horror kind of movies and shows and whatever. So no, these things are not for me. I enjoy rom-coms, I enjoy comedy, I enjoy romance. So very light content is what I like watching. Next is, you are very social. Yes, I have answered this in my previous assumption as well. I have always been an extrovert. I enjoy being surrounded with people. I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy socializing. So yes, I am a social butterfly. Next up is, you don't share a lot about your personal life on YouTube. Well, yes. So you will see whatever you see on YouTube, a part of my life on my vlogs, basically, because vlogs are more personal than these sit down videos. I tend to show like 10% of my life, so there's another 90% of my life that you guys don't see on the camera. That is only because I'm like, nobody would be interested in watching the drama that's going behind my life. So yeah, that's the thing. That's why you see the happy 10% of my life on YouTube. Next is, you don't read a lot. That is actually right. So I think these assumptions that you guys have sent in so far are all correct. I don't read a lot. That is why probably you would have never seen me talking about books as much, but I do listen to podcasts, so I do listen to books. I don't read books, but while I'm working around the house, I like to put in my earpods, and I will just listen to a book, or I listen to a podcast. So I'm not a reader. I am a good listener, I would say that. Now next is, you hate household chores, but you are bound to do it. That's absolutely right. Oh my god. Especially cooking. That is just not something that I enjoy, but I have to do it because I have no help. And yeah, you're right, my friend, you're right. Next up is, you are so near. Okay, this is by Shruti. I have to mention here because she left this huge comment, and I was like, oh my god, thank you so much. So Shruti says, you are so me, so I know whatever I'm assuming is right. Okay. Now she assumes that I am you always love to be happy and smiling and want everyone to be happy in your company. You love to talk, dance, sing, pamper yourself. In short, you love yourself very much. Shruti, I have to say you are absolutely right. I do love myself a lot, and you know, I like to do things that make me happy. I definitely like to take care of myself, not just physically but also mentally. And yeah, you're actually right. I love everything that you have mentioned. I love to talk, dance, sing, pamper myself, go out for shopping. You guys have seen I go out alone and I shop. I spend the day with me. So yeah, I do all of that. I actually love myself. The next one is that you love a cheat day. That's absolutely right, my friend. And recently, you know, I've been having a lot of cheat days in a week, which I'm not very happy about, but yeah, I've been having, you know, a lot of cheat days lately. Next up is that you have a kid. Oh my god, this was the most bizarre assumption I've got so far. I don't have a kid, man. You're so wrong. Had I had any kid, like, you would have seen him or her on my channel, of course, because you know, I can't hide having a kid and I can vlog and make these videos. I don't have a kid. I definitely want one or two in the future, but at the moment I don't have any child. Next up is that you are a very hardworking person, and I know that you are, and I adore you for that. Thank you so much. Thank you. That means a lot. Next is you are a foodie but you are not into cooking. Absolutely right. I just answered this in my previous assumption. I hate cooking but I like eating. Yes, you're right. Next up is you are working on a part-time job apart from YouTube. Well, you are right. So you can call it a part-time full-time job because I do it Monday to Friday. I have, you know, a life other than YouTube as well. I have a source of income because, you know, when you start YouTube, you don't get anything out of it. Even till today, I do earn from YouTube. I've started earning from YouTube for last 1 or 2 years, I would say. But it is not much. So you know, if you want to do YouTube as a full-time thing, then you have to have a full-time job or a part-time job in the beginning, because you know, it involves a lot of investment. So if you don't have that much money, you are either dependent on your husband or your father, or you know, whoever is taking care of you. And I do not like that. Like, I don't like that concept. So yes, I work very hard and then I make YouTube videos. Now next up is that you earn really well. So the assumption is that I earn really well. Well, I don't know how to rate it, or how do you you know, what amount do you think is really well. But I would say yes, I do earn better than what I was earning in India. In India, I had like a proper job, like an office job, and I'm definitely making more than what I was making in India. So yeah. Next up is you have not worn most of your jewelry. That is so true, guys. I have a lot of jewelry. Even here, the case that you see, I've only probably worn like 1 or 2 earrings out of this. Rest of my you know, jewelry is packed up in a bag, in a box inside. And yeah, I don't tend to wear a lot of jewelry. I am very fond of rings. More than anything else, any other piece of jewelry, I like collecting rings. But I don't tend to wear a lot of you know, necklaces or big earrings, even though I have got plenty of them. Next up is you were a bright student in school. I wouldn't say I was a bright student. I was an average student. Like, I was not too bad, I was not too good. So yeah, average. And the last assumption is, my assumption is that you are a perfectionist. Well, I don't think so. I am a perfectionist. If you consider being organized and you know, liking things to be done in a certain way, yes, I do that, but I am not a perfectionist like to a point where I want every single thing to whatever I do to be done, you know, on like a top-notch quality types. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I do like doing things in an organized way, but perfectionist तो बहुत strong word है, and I don't think so I am that. And yeah, with that we come to an end of the assumptions video. Thank you so much for sending in so many assumptions about me. I hope I was able to clear out you know, some of those for you guys in this video. But I have to say 90% of the assumptions that you guys made about me were so true. I am so happy about it. I know that, you know, you guys connect with me, and that is why you know me so well. It just makes me really happy. Thank you so much for always you know, making my day with your lovely comments, and I hope you guys will take care of yourself, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.